One of the things that we pride ourselves on at Hello Happy Home is done in a day organizing. Your entire space completed in one day. Chaotic at breakfast, peaceful at dinner time. So let me walk you through what a day with Hello Happy Home in your home looks like. Before we even arrive, we're picking out product and curating things specifically to your space based on the pictures and the videos that you sent us. Between 8:30 and 9 o'clock, day of organizing, we're arriving in your home. We'll say hello and all the greetings, and then you're gonna walk us through the space. We wanna see and hear how you feel about it currently. And then we're gonna talk about what your dream goals are for that space. What do you want it to feel like? At the end of the day, what do you wanna see? And then we'll fill in all the pieces in between. All right, step one in the space, and this is usually the most overwhelming. We're gonna pull everything out. I'm talking the tiniest screw, a Cheeto on the ground, everything's coming out of whatever space we're working in so we can really get a fresh start in that space. We're gonna sort like items together, all of the markers together, all of the high-heeled shoes, so that when you come back in, which is the next step, it's easier for you to make decisions and not as overwhelming. Once we know what needs to go back into the space, we can create a custom system for you and your family. Now we place your items back into the newly designed system with purpose. And don't forget the finishing touch. We add labels to everything to give it an elevated, beautiful feel and make it sustainable and functional for your family. Before we leave, we take the trash out, we load up our cars with all your donate items so you don't have to do a thing. You just get to enjoy your newly organized space.